Dear students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Team. Today I am going to explain the critical appreciation of the play Arms and the Men by George Bernard Shaw. This play is an anti-romantic comedy. Uh, it is anti-romantic because it has no it doesn't appeals to heart, rather it appeals to our intellect. In this play, George Bernard Shaw expresses presents some ideas rather than some feelings, uh, and in this play he makes fun and he criticizes sentimental ideas, like uh, he he speaks against the romantic ideas of war and love. According to him, according to him, once we should not glorify war, and marriage should not be based on romantic feelings. He stresses on reality and matter of fact. Uh, he stresses on the reality of situation, and the setting of this play is set in Bulgaria. There is going battle between Bulgaria and Serbia, and in the first scene we see the the bed chamber of Reina, and she is watching outside of her window, and she is looking at snow covered peaks of Balkan mountains. So this play is set in Bulgaria, and this play become famous because English people like this setting. It was something new for them because it was the play was set in some foreign country, so it appealed to English audience. This play has realism because in this play George Bernard Shaw expresses realism, and he speaks against idealistic thought about love and marriage, and he uh, he makes fun of romantic ideas of love and war. This play is full of ideas. In fact, all of Shaw's plays are full of ideas. He presents various ideas in his plays. In this play, the chief ideas which he expressed in this play are his ideas of love and war. According to him, love should not be based on romantic feelings, and one should not glorify war, because war has its own demerits, and love should be based on realism rather than on romantic feelings. He George Bernard Shaw stresses on intuition rather than sentimentalism. The this play has wit and humor. All of Shaw's plays are full of wit and humor. He in his plays he presents various situations and actions which makes audiences laugh, and audiences or readers. There are various situations which make readers or audiences laugh. Um, it make it is His plays are full of amusement. But here in his plays he also presents serious ideas, so he makes a balance between wit and humor, and whatever humorous situations he creates, and the seriousness of his ideas. So he makes a balance between these two things. And the plot construction of the play is very simple. In his plays, in this play, he presents very simple actions, and his actions, he presents actions in a logical order, and but sometimes his actions hamper the development of his characters. Uh, but in his plays, the character of Bluntsley, Captain Bluntsley, is well developed. Um, the the next element is local color. He presents in this play. Uh, George Bernard Shaw presents local color. This play is set in Bulgaria, so he presents a situation of war at that time. In the play, we see the battle is going on between the armies of Bulgaria and Serbia, and there is firing, and all the situations of battlefield is described here in this play. And uh, and uh, um, in the first scene, he describes the beautiful scenery of in Bulgaria. In He presents the scene of bad jumper of Rena, in which she is standing near her window and looking at the snow-covered peaks of Balkans. So he presents all the local color in his play. And the last element is stage directions. All of plays of George Bernard Shaw are full of stage directions, um, and these stage directions help audiences or readers to understand the play better, and it helps stage directors also to uh, direct the play uh, in a better way. So these were the chief characteristics of this play. Uh, Mainly, the theme of this play is his anti-romantic ideas against love and war. Uh, George Bernard Shaw doesn't glorify war. He says that war has its own bad effects, and soldiers are not as much glorified as we think. And he makes fun of war in this play. Like he In this play, Captain Bluntsley makes fun of other soldiers. He says that all the soldiers are afraid of dying, and they food is more important in war than cartridges and ammunition. Um, and and He makes fun of romantic feelings of love. According to him, love is based on reality rather than on sentimentality. In this play, Reina glorifies her fiance Sergius, but Captain Bluntsley makes her disillusion, and he tells her that Sergius won this battle only because uh, the 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 army of enemies, means the army of Serbia, was provided wrong ammunition, and Sergius won this battle because of weaknesses of others. So this play is this play presents the anti-romantic ideas of love and war. Thank you.